Well, I think that it was risky in the beginning. It was a new developing, cryptocurrency, digital. People worry about getting hacked. So I think all of those things were true, honestly. I think things have changed now with the new administration. I also think when you have big companies like BlackRock buying Bitcoin, they run the world. So if they're invested in that, if Howard Lutnick's Cantor Fitzgerald is invested in MicroStrategy for billions of dollars, and that's their main source of investment, I think that you feel pretty good about it. When some of the biggest banks in the world are like, yes, this is okay. When Larry Fink of BlackRock says you should invest at least 1 to 2% of your net income in Bitcoin, I think it's okay, and they're going to increase that percent every year, in my opinion. So I think that's okay to be uncertain. That's okay to be nervous. I would just research more. One thing I did with the real estate is you got to put in your 1,000 hours. You know what I mean? You got to watch your podcasts, your YouTubes. You got to read a couple books. For me, it was the Bitcoin Standard and a few others. But with that research, you kind of get comfortable. It's kind of like taking a test. I'm a high school teacher, and if you're nervous about the test, one of the best things you could do to feel more confident is to study more, right? And prepare for it. So if you study more, you'll learn that it's not likely to, it's not likely to be hacked. It's not likely to even fall as far as it used to before because of the new Clarity Acts and things in that nature. Right now, you're still early. I really believe this is like pre-internet, like just starting out, and it's going to get way bigger over the next probably by 2030, it's going to be way bigger. And, so invest a little bit. I recommend, it's not financial advice, but whatever you're comfortable